What up, what up? It's your boy Live. Let me do that again. What up? It's your boy Live.
2 hours later.
Hey! What happened to you?
What's up, Live?
Damn!
Man,
You woke up on the wrong side of the bed?
your boy hung out a little late last night.
I mean, I know you went out, but you went out, huh? Oh, you're going to have to tell me about this,
Hey,
dog.
hey.
What the hell?
Hey, the vabbing was for real.
Nasty, man.
No wonder when you walked in, it was something like a badussi, you know? That's how they go last night. Y'all had fun?
Cool, man. It was
Yeah?
cool, yeah.
Y'all was chilling?
Yeah, it was chilling.
A lot of people?
Nah,
A lot of them things, huh?
Hey, it was out there, man.
Last night, too.
Hey,
Bucky was like, what going on there?
hey,
Oh, you know, he had a meeting. He knew you had to go help moms out.
yeah. Nah, it was
Dang.
cool.
Oh, anyway, we if you're here today, we're doing content right now.
Goddamn, man, you just gonna press play and
You know, press
yeah, we gonna just press play. Hold on, let me get myself together. Man, let me look at myself.
See this guy right
Hey.
here. See? Welcome to the show,
Yes,
the ChimeCast. You know, thanks for chiming in. Those who just are chiming in are brand new followers of the show. Comment, like, subscribe, all of that,
Yeah, to Jizzle knows, man.
Today we're gonna be talking about
Shelter?
Shelter. Yeah, that's a good one.
Hey, man, if you sheltered, man, you ain't
Yeah.
gonna be able to hang out with me, dog. Cheers.
Yeah, yeah, that's proven. Yeah, man, shelter. Yeah. Where do we start? Yeah.
But nah, that's a great topic right there.
Time and time again, often, you know, our parents sheltered us kids growing up in the 80s, you know. We're 80s babies and stuff, but like especially our sisters, you know, the girl kids, you know what I mean? And, you know, it's all for the good reason,
Yes, sir.
you know what I mean? Because we're in America now, the mainland, you know, where it's dangerous, too much shit going on out here, you know?
Yeah.
What we talked about yesterday was like, you know, shelter can be a bad thing too, being sheltered, you know? Because now that, let's just say that our parents, you know, may be gone or you know, on their way out, is bad for the kids. Because they don't know how to survive out there in the street. Ain't nobody taught them like, hey, man, you know, if they come home, they're like, yeah, I never knew this type of
They ain't
people
been exposed out
there.
there.
They never been exposed.
You know?
Exactly, dude.
They're not able to recognize things that are cutthroat out there.
Yup. And it's very privy in the Samoan community, like the Polynesian community, like shelter. Oh my God, I have numerous conversations with cousins and families saying, man, y'all need to do a ChimeCast about being sheltered. You know, sheltering our kids, and we love our kids. You know what I'm saying? And it happens, you know, because we were groomed to shelter. We were sheltered, so we shelter our kids. You know, but you know, it's a bad thing. You know, you got to let them get out there a little bit.
There's a difference between keeping your kids safe and all that, but not revealing them to, hey, see that right there? That ain't cool. You know, if you're not allowing them to be exposed, or, you know, I mean, there is a good and a bad, but boy, you got to let them move around a little bit.
You got to let them live a little bit. Like, say, for instance, like me and Jizzle was talking about yesterday, like, you know, run that leash a little longer.
Yeah, let them go hang out.
Let them mess up. They got to mess up so they can learn, right? And being real sheltered is dangerous because as soon as they get exposed to the elements, they gone.
Yeah.
Gone.
Yeah.
Smoking, drinking, all kinds of
Man,
shit.
let them mess up. Or at the same time, let them learn, because they can learn off of other people's mistakes. They got to be able to see it. Be like, oh, shit.
Yeah.
I see what moms and pops was talking about right there.
I mean, it's not necessarily letting them mess up.
Right.
You know, you trust them.
Yeah.
You give them the tools as you groom them. You give them the tools as they grow up. Like, look, this is good or bad. It's up to you. You know, you already have the tools.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And in the Samoan community, like the Polynesian, like my tocos, you know what I mean, the target community.
Love them, man. I love them.
Man, you know, it's prevalent in the polys.
Yeah.
And I truly understand, man, because it's wild out here. It's the concrete jungle. Is that right, Jizzle? Jizzle!
Hey, look, they got big game hunters, and
What's the smell?
What smell?
It smell like budussy, booty, dick, and pussy.
This guy been vabbing. If y'all don't know what vabbing is, go back to one of our other ChimeCasts. He's explaining vabbing.
females are doing is they're taking their discharge, their juices from the vaginal juices and spraying it, you know, as perfume behind their ears, as some type of perfume. Lord have mercy, spray.
Have mercy.
There's nothing wrong with vabbing,
Ain't
man.
nothing wrong. Ain't nothing wrong.
Hey, man.
That means he came straight here. He didn't go home.
Nasty.
Wait, before I rudely interrupted you, bro.
Hey, man, we're talking about
We jumped from this to vabbing, dog. Hell wrong
hey,
with
man,
y'all.
this guy, man, see that, man, he got me off track, man. We were talking about.
Peace up, A-Town down.
Man, you won't be able to know what vabbing is. That means they don't want you
Yeah.
on social media.
No, you so right.
You know,
so
Hey,
right.
look, you don't necessarily have to go out to find out.
Mhm.
So you could be sheltered and shut down from reality on social media.
For sure.
And so in vabbing, it was exposed
Yeah.
and it was shared on social media. You know,
And you know, that's why, you know, like my youngest daughter, right? I tell her, man, I don't want you too young to have social media.
yeah,
Social media, listen to this, parents. Social media, we all know this too, is tearing at the very fabric of familyism.
yeah,
It's destroying it.
yeah.
Because now you're putting in the kids. Here we coming with our values that we're trying to instill in our kids. And the social media like, nah, you entitled. Fuck that, what they talking about. Parents just don't understand. Really?
Yeah, it's crazy how you touch on the social media. The social media is tearing a whole lot of stuff up because once a person thinks they got 50 likes, or they the star of the motherfucking show, like my girl.
Yeah, and it's stupid. It's dumb. And they're doing it for
Man.
likes, follows, subscribe. Like, what the hell, dude?
Motherfuckers think they got it and shit.
Do you smell it?
It's like reeking. I don't know if it's tequila or the other stuff, you know?
Hey, look,
Damn.
hey, look, I mean, I'm not a drinker. Jizzle out here leaning. I had to get myself a drink. Boy, tequila and lemon. Jizzle, your boy don't even drink, but I had to.
For real. Yeah, but going back to the topic at hand, our family, man, you know, like, us as parents, we tried the best. Our parents tried their best, you know what I mean? That's all they know was sheltering. You know, we you protect your family, you know, but on top of that, it's just like what you said, it's unhealthy somewhat, you know? You gotta let them get out there, let them get the taste of it. Some of my homeboys at work, some of the millions at work, they're like, yeah, nigga, we was from the Inland Empire, the IE. My dad didn't want my dad whooping our ass. He was shipyard.
Right.
You know, he was working shipyard and we didn't know nothing about no Compton, Long Beach. Like, we was trying to come down this way. Well, one of our cousins, they lived in Long Beach. He said they came back down on one weekend, never went back.
Yeah,
He got
man.
turned out.
It'll eat your ass up, man.
Alive.
Man, bro.
Yeah.
I was like, shit.
Yep, so, you know, sheltering. Because, you know, us letting the kids get out there, you know, your head is thinking like, damn, is he doing some dumb shit? Like what we did when we were growing up. Like I was telling kids, we wrote the book on that. And our parents wrote the book on it.
Yeah.
So we know what y'all doing.
It's okay to be overly protective. When you just not letting them do nothing.
Yeah.
Then once they get out there, man, they get a woof of them streets, or the babies,
it's a wrap.
or the babies, or your
It's a
son.
wrap.
They come back, they be like, "Hey, my girl pregnant, or your daughter pregnant."
Yeah.
God damn it, man! You didn't even let them.
And that's every
you
father's
didn't,
nightmare.
hey, you didn't let them go out there to the front yard.
Yep. And it's like, damn, dude. And you know, I always tell my wife, like, let them go. They already got, they know what's good and bad. Just let them go. They got to feel the taste of the juice.
Yeah.
As soon as they feel the taste of the juice and something happens, like they get like a near miss
Yeah.
or a direct hit, like, I ain't finna do that shit no more.
Man.
Don't tell daddy or mommy went down, dude. Almost got killed.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And hopefully they'll learn from it. And not that the juice is real sweet that they'll keep drinking from it.
Boy, this dude, he touching the fat dude right
Man,
there.
I'm just le verbe comme le
This is crazy.
Anyways, we just thought we might chime in on that.
Yeah, we gotta
This
touch on that,
Sunday
man.
morning, beautiful morning.
Mm.
Did y'all go to church? Oh, I can't even talk. I didn't even go to church.
Hey, but God bless you.
Yeah, God bless you too. And God bless all of us.
Hey, but you know, continue to protect your children. But
Yeah.
man, let them breathe a little bit, man.
I know, you know, some of the stuff we might say, it might offend some people, but you know, hey, you can't make everybody happy. You know what I'm saying? We're just chiming in the issues about our families and you know what I mean? Our community and stuff. But yeah, let them go a little bit. Yeah, Jizzle?
Right, now let them go, man. Plus, man, you can't make everybody happy.
Mm-mm.
Man, everybody don't like God. Some people don't believe in God. You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying?
Surprisingly. Yep, surprisingly.
Yeah, so
Yep,
we had to reach out,
yep.
touch on sheltering your kids.
Boom. Anyway, comment, like, subscribe, hit our Venmo, Cash App. And if you watch at the end of the video, there's in caps on the videos, just keep on watching and go to our next video and go to our next video consecutively. You know what I mean? But thanks for the support. I guess we out, huh?
We out, Jizzle.
We out.